towel always looks good. So instead of covering it completely, I'm going to keep this open like that. So ये यहाँ से भी covered है, यहाँ से भी covered है, and this is how it is looking from the back. Pleats की वजह से it is giving a very good look. And ये जो यहाँ से जा रहा है, आप इसको यहाँ से खुला भी छोड़ सकते हैं ताकि ये पूरा ऐसे नीचे से जाए. So when it is going like this and coming from here, this is giving a good look. It is covered obviously from here completely, and आपका पल्ला भी बहुत लंबा है. So अब इसको secure करने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत ढीला पार्ट है, तो I'm going to use a waistband on it. Give me a minute. So you all know I wear this traditional waistband. So you take this and cover the whole area. थोड़ा सा लूज छोड़ देंगे obviously because breathing space भी चाहिए. So take it like that and make it as tight as you can, and then इसको ऐसे घुमा लीजिए and cover it. That's about it. That's how this saree is draped. Two different sarees complementing each other, both the sides. So you can try wearing this drape for a wedding as a bride, or you can, अगर आप जैसे like you can use two heavy sarees, heavy border sarees, and drape it as a bride. And if you don't want to wear it as a bride, you can also try it as a bridesmaid or anybody who is attending a family wedding or something. So that's about it. Hope you like the way I draped my saree. Hope it turned out good. Do go ahead and try it out and let me know how that turned out for you. Hope you have a good day. Be safe, stay at home, and take care. Namaste.